Let us start the session. Uh, Anyone has any question from past session? If has, then drop it in on Telegram.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, bro. Please
Sir,
open.
I have Chimera X, Chimera only, sir, and you, whatever you like teaching in the previous class, were teaching in the previous class,
Yes.
but that feature is not available in that Chimera. Earlier, you were told me, sir, you will you can take help from Google also
Yes.
with the software with the name and the specification. So that's why, sir, I have a question key like how will I do, because see the same features is not available in the Chimera.
Okay. So I will actually I am mostly whatever I am telling you, all those
Yes,
things,
sir.
all those things are available in Chimera documentation. Like if I am searching for Chimera X, open
Yes, sir.
command, open command. So I am opening this file, and here you will see that it is for Chimera X. So these
Yes, sir.
commands are for Chimera X. Okay. Next one is next one is to search in for Chimera only. You need to type just Chimera and open command means most of the I have told you basic commands. So you can use those commands to search for the features or for the help. So it is almost similar, like earlier in earlier version they were using open and some file name. So like that I was also sharing that you use open keyword, then type file name or url or model id, and it will open. Similarly it will behave in that version. Also this is old software, and maybe there is mismatch between your version or version compatible with your operating system. So I would suggest if you can uh, up, download find a specific version, like for Windows 7 Chimera X should be different. Chimera. So like many people were facing 64-bit version problem for 64-bit. So you need to find out 32-bit build, and if 32-bit build is
It's not.
available, it's not
It's not
available
things.
for Chimera na. And maybe for Chimera X also it is not available.
Yes, sir. It is not available.
For both the version it's not available. Actually old.
So I think we like I have to change my laptop first, na? Like so it should be 64 bits.
Actually not exactly. You should not change the laptop. uh, Reason is you can uh, most of the things you can do using your package because it is already working, or you can also find similar things on pymol. So you just have to visualize whatever you are seeing and bit of practicing, because for docking you just need to see the molecule structure, how they are appearing with each other, how they are interacting. So all those things are common in each and every software. Means uh, visualization every software will visualize, and to find interaction like hydrogen bond or any other type of bond, every software will have that feature. Okay, so what I will do, I will prepare a comparative list, means for basic things like file opening, hydrogen bonds, or manipulating structures. So all those things can be so that you can do perform basic task on any package. Fine. So
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay, any other question? Do you have any other question? No.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So in today's session I will be briefing about what is dogging and why do we perform it, and a basic intro about Autodog Vina. Then one example of Vina, means we will perform a example docking, and I will share files so that you can just start using Vina. I guess last time I told that you all need to download Vina file.
Yes, sir,
So
we have downloaded.
okay, so I am just repeating what I was saying last time. Here I searched for GitHub Autodoc Vina because latest package is available on GitHub. Here I will go. Then I will select this box, and here I can see 1.2.3 release is there. If I click it, I will see different packages for different operating system, and whatever operating system you are using, you can download it. If I will download it on my system, it will look something like this. It's downloaded file.
Sir, it's again 64 bits. I think, sir, it is available in the 32 bits also.
uh, I would suggest you to start with that, and if there is any error, then let me know. I will tell you alternate option.
Okay, sir.
Okay, try it once. And in the last session, I also told you about how you can extract molecule from one PDB structure just by copy and paste of the text. Now I have a question. What is docking? Before that, we have already discussed about biomolecular pathways. That as a one example, we talked about a fever or inflammatory response in our body. So to reduce the inflammatory response, we were using some drug, and that drug was going to bind to some protein or some participants which were triggering the inflammation response. And there we also saw that there are multiple drugs, and with they have multiple structures. So but they are all were acting somewhere similar on cyclooxygenase. So like that, if there is already existing thing which is targeting that protein, to change the expression or change the phenotype or working of that particular receptor or protein, we can add another molecule which is going to replace the existing molecule which is interacting with the receptor. So here we are so that we can't see in vitro or in the cell. We can perform experiments in uh, like uh, like we can use drug, treat the cells with drug, and visualize it in vitro using microscope like fluorescent microscopy and other thing by tagging those molecules. But if we have to do or if we have to screen multiple molecules like thousands of molecules, then we can't perform those thousands of experiments, and we will need more money because chemicals are expensive, and also manpower will be required, and it will be time consuming. So what what we do is we use in silico approaches. There we can use what we do, we just simulate what is in vitro. Like for protein structure, we all our chemistry scholars already know that a molecule has a charge, and if it is interacting with other, either it will form bond, and means the basic properties of a molecule from atom, residue or chain, those all are known. So what they do, they simulate it. Simulation means something which is not real but looks like a real, behaves like a real. So that simulation is performed in silico using some software and packages. So for docking, for docking simulation, we just use the property of existing molecule. If we talk about cyclooxygenase, we know that we have got the structure of cyclooxygenase on PDB, where it was determined using some crystallography experiment or NMR. So based on that, it was constructed, and we already know atomic behavior of atoms, like what charge they have, what are their sizes. So all those things are simulated. Then we similarly we get the drug, structure of drug, and in docking, just one thing is done, that how a protein and a drug can interact. If that drug is interacting, means binding, or their binding is having some stable conformation, or binding better than any other drug, then it is good for us. For example, I will show you how. Okay, I will open Chimera X just to show some drag and drop, so that you can understand what I was talking about. So basically, I'm taking one drug, and I it doesn't have the ligand. I will take 3x. I will directly use select ligand, so that it select a ligand for me, and there is no ligand. I will take another example. Okay, it has selected multiple ligands. Fine. So what I will do is, I am just clipping it using some right mouse tools. Here I can clip, so I can see only few molecules for clarity. So suppose this is some protein. Fine. So and I have this selection here. I'm just, so translate atoms. Okay. So like this means, this is one drug, and within the cavity of the protein, it is like reorienting or moving itself from the protein structure. So by that it is interacting, and if already one drug is present here, then another drug can either replace it, like you have already studied that enzymes have inhibitors, or there is competition between binding between two molecules, if there is existing third molecule. So all those things apply here. And here, for the simplicity, what we do, we select one protein without a ligand or with ligand, and we remove the protein, and then we bring the interactor or ligand to interact with that protein. So that simple thing is done here. For the docking purpose, we are going to use Autodock Vina. There are multiple other packages. There are other packages of by this same institute, like Autodoc Vina. Autodoc 4 is also there, but it is like a old version of this. So it is, Autodoc Vina is better than Autodoc 4, and it is simpler to use, and advanced than Autodoc 4. There are other packages, and for to have a list of those packages, we can search for the list using uh, docking tools on Wikipedia. It has exhaustive list of docking software, so you can go through those packages and understand how what are they meant for. And basically Autodoc is like quite old, and it is very much useful, being simpler and easy to operate, and it is also faster than many packages. And you can use it on your simple system, like I am using on my laptop, and other software might need some heavy computational power. So next is I am taking you for starting with one example for Autodoc Vina. Here we will be needing multiple things for docking performance. Like already we already discussed that we use old uh, we have a receptor which may have ligand, already existing ligand. So receptor and existing ligand, and they are already interacting or not interacting. So we need another molecule which is going to interact in place of it, or it may be binding somewhere else, because we know that if a protein or a biomolecule is there which is made up of combinations of atoms, and if it comes in contact with some other molecule, it is going to change its conformation, because energy is going to change. Due to change in conformation, it is going to trigger further response. It's if it's changing conformation, it might be not able to perform some activity, or its activity might increase. So those results in change in biomolecular process. So here we need Autodoc Vina, which we have already downloaded. I will provide a prepared receptor and one prepared ligand. I am using prepared word because though the structures you are getting on protein data bank are like they might be missing something, or they are not appropriate to be used with Autodoc Vina, because different software provide solution with different requirements. So here I am providing already prepared ligand. I will explain these things gradually. And now what will be the outcome of this simple example, that yep, this protein and this ligand, one second, I have some protein structure, and this is ligand. So this software, what this software does is, it takes the protein, takes the ligand, and it changes its conformation. By changing conformation, I mean, if this is the orientation of some molecule, and if its conformation changes, then it might orient like this in three-dimensional space. If some protein is like something like this, so after conformation change, it might be linear, or it may get more complex compact. So like this conformations are changing. And what Autodoc Winner does is, it takes the receptor as it is, means it makes it fixed, like we do something like with Lego or some toys we have seen, where we fit missing pieces in that particular in another structure. So here it will try to fit in this cavity, or somewhere in the protein where it can be fitted. So what it does, it just takes this molecule, ligand molecule, and rotates and tries to fit it. And for fitting, since structure has atoms, so it calculates energies, means if this new molecule or ligand is going to interact with the protein, there will be change in energies. And we already know that if there is minimum, is if a system has minimum energy, it is stable. So it will use it will create some algorithm to calculate the energies after interactions, and accordingly it will tell that this is the best fitting, means best interaction with this protein and ligand. So we have uh, we have protein 1 and one ligand 1 and p1 and some drug 1. So first this protein and ligand were interacting, they were giving some outcome interaction, and it had some energy minus n kilojoule per mole or kilojoule. So after this ligand is this new drug is introduced, then the protein has some other energy, means it might have some different energy which might be more than this or less than this existing energy. So this change in energy will let us know if this is going to be replacing this existing ligand one, means D1 is going to replace existing ligand or not. So with that, with these predictions, we simplify our in vitro work or lab work, where we it saves us lot of money and time also. uh, uh, what I'm doing, can you all download file from Telegram right now, so that I can just uh, so that you all can follow me alongside.
Sir, I have downloaded already.
Okay, so you have downloaded Telegram. I am sharing files with you. I am sharing files with you, so you can immediately start using it. Means just keep following me. I am sharing two files on Telegram, one protein and one receptor. Can
Sir, we have to install that Veena
no no
in
no
our
no
system.
no no. You don't have to install. Don't worry about that. I am telling you. Just get these two files. Just it will take 5 to 10 minutes. I just want you to open command prompt, then use that software. That's it. We won't discuss how it is working, what is working. uh, just download these files and follow along with me. Is there anyone else who is following me, means can work right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Please download these two files.
Done, sir.
Okay, so I guess everyone has downloaded maybe. So these two files and Autodog Vina. I will first ligand, protein, and Autodog and Vina. So these three files are with you right now, and now we need to use command line or command prompt or CMD. So to open the command prompt, we can on Windows we can use run option. Run will look something like this, and to open run you can use menu option, like on Windows 10 I can click this start button and search for command prompt. This is one option, means search for command prompt after clicking here, or and then type CMD and click OK. So it will open a command prompt. It will look something like this. Or there is alternate method. If you have opened the Explorer or File Manager, then simply type simply type cmd there and press enter. Again it will open command prompt. This is second method. First you can use your Windows option, search option, and second one is your Explorer one. It is Explorer one should work with everyone. And if you are using Ubuntu or any other package like Mac OS, then just press Alt space or Windows button and start typing command prompt or terminal. You will find that these methods will work similar on every package. And on Windows 11 or Windows, maybe Windows 10, you can directly right click on it and use open in terminal. So like that you can get multiple options to open the package. I would recommend to use uh, your file explorer, like you are seeing the window file explorer window where all files are listed. Here you will be seeing address bar will look like this. This is your complete window is file window or file explorer, and this is your this like something like this where you will be seeing d colon forward slash or backward slash some address. That is your file explorer. File explorer address bar. So in there just type cmd and press enter. It will automatically open your command prompt. This is easy and better method. I guess those who are following me right now are able to open command prompt from their desktop.
Yes, sir. Done.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me know if anyone want to stop me. I will repeat that in case you need to repeat me again. Now this I have address of this directory, so I will copy this address, or I will do, I will right click here and go to properties. There I can find the address. Right click, properties. Here I did right click, properties option, and then this address. This is property box. Okay, so I'm able to copy the address, and in the command prompt or command line I will use cd space and right click on it, and it might paste directly, or you will get paste option, or you can try using control V to paste the address. So that what I am doing here, I am changing the directory of the I am changing the directory of the command prompt so that I can access the files which are stored in my directory where I am going to demonstrate Autodoc Vina. So I used cd then a space and used path which I copied. You can also type if you wish. And if there may be one problem with the people who are currently at C drive, and if you type cd d something, means it is you are trying to change to D drive or some other drive from C drive, then you might not directly see the result. So what you need to do is, for those who are changing from one drive, means from C drive to other drive, you just type D or your drive name first. So what it will do is it will change to the that directory first, then only it can change it can navigate to the folder. Like if I want to move to U drive, and I want to type cd U drive and some documents folder, it won't go there. Maybe this error will not be there, but it will not navigate there. So I am still seeing D drive here. So to go to U drive, I will simply type U drive colon and enter. So it has changed to U drive. Now I can change navigate to any directory from there. So if anyone was facing this issue, I can explain it again. Now from U drive I want to go back to D drive, then I cannot directly change it to D drive. So it will it will be only showing the original directory. This may be a problem or feature of Windows, but I don't know. So like that I am changing back to D drive. Now it has directly taken me there. Next one is first running Vina. So this is a executable file. Yes.
Sir, can you once explain how you copied address?
Yes. To copy the address, I just clicked here, selected the address in property, right click it and copy, or press Ctrl C, it will copy there. This is one method. Second method is, if your file is already open, folder is already open, click here, it will show complete address, right click on it and copy.
Okay, sir, got it. Thank
You
you so
got it?
much.
Okay, fine. Okay, next step, I am copying the file name, complete file name with the extension. If you are missing the .exe from your extension, you need to either type it manually, or you can go to your view option, or some there must be some setting which will be showing file name extensions. If you don't get these options, I would suggest to use the word, like I am telling, file name extension, to Google it, and there you can use your own operating system name and find the exact way to perform that action. So I have copied this file name of the Vina executable, right clicked on it, and it has displayed here. I have just copy pasted the name of the file, so it is displayed here. If I press just I am pressing enter, means it is running, it is working. So this Vina is working from command line right now. Let me know if you people are able to perform similar.
Sir, I am not able to run that system.
Okay, can you share your screenshot? I mean
Yes,
screen.
yes, sir, yes, sir, I will share with you.
Okay. Anyone who has any problem, please share your screen so that on seeing I can tell you how you
Yes,
can
sir.
remove your problem.
Yes, sir. I have also
Okay,
problem.
everyone share your screen. Do I need to give some permission or something to share the screen, or you can share?
Sir, we will share on a Telegram, I think so,
Yeah,
which is
that will also work. Okay, fine. You can also yes, you can share a screenshot as well, or from call.
Sir, I am sharing my screen.
Share. Okay, share.
Sir, is my screen is visible?
Yes, it is loading.
Okay, sir. I open my like this command line.
Okay,
Here I pasted this address.
okay. Enter it.
Enter.
Yes, enter it. It will show some error. Okay, it is showing some error. You are in C drive. Now you type cd, change directory
C
command.
D
Yeah,
C
cd
D
space,
space
right click, paste,
space
enter.
enter.
Now you have moved to your downloaded directory. Fine.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
now type v,
V.
press tab button,
Sir, क्या?
tab.
Tab button
Yes, above the caps lock.
above the caps lock. Okay. Tab button.
Okay, so means you don't have Vina. There are other files. I thought Vina is only Vina is installed. Okay, so you just copy the path of the Vina file. Name
Sir,
of the file.
here
Yes.
here by the Vina file. Vina one.
Okay. Now you go. Uh, what I can do right now is I can share this screen. Fine. Okay. Are you able to see my screen right now?
1 minute, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the view option, you will find file name extension uh, somewhere here or somewhere. So go to view tab and try to find that option.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, here this town. Where I have to go, sir? Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir. One second.
Sir, where I
On
go?
Vina, go to view.
View.
Huh.
Uh, After left click, right click na
Yes.
on this Vina.
Wait, one second. Not here. Not here. One second. That manage tab in menu bar where file, home, share is mentioned. Top left corner. File, home,
Yes, sir.
share. Click on view. Click on view. Not here. Not on the file. Click on view.
Okay, view.
Yes. Now you can see in on the right side, like you are seeing navigation pane. In the same row you will see file name extension.
Navigation panel, yes. And then
File name extension.
file name extension.
More right.
Okay, this is file name extension.
Yes, click on it. You will see the extension of the file. Now whatever file you are downloading, it will show some file name extension. So Vina, now you are able to see .exe file, right?
Yes, sir.
So here this is complete file name, and this option has added the exe file. Fine. Okay, copy it, right click on it, rename, control A or select all and copy it. uh,
Copy.
Bhupendra, your download and Veena, uh, you just first change the directory, because after directory name you need to put forward slash.
Sir, here is written as valisimin dot
Con-
sdf.
pre-
After that, I pasted
no, no, actually type control C.
Control C.
Yes. So old command is removed and it will open. It will start a new line.
Okay, first I press Control C.
Yes. Now it has
Okay.
breaken the command. Old command means
Yes, sir.
after this download and for angle bracket, it will accept a new command or new keyword. Like you were doing in Chimera X. Na, if you press open file ID. then it was opening file id, then again you have to had to provide some new command. Like that
Okay.
it will work here as well. So now right click that file name, means right click and paste whatever you copied from the last file. Yes, now press enter. Okay, this version is not compatible with the
Completely.
version of Windows. So this is 64-bit version, and
Yes.
your system is 32-bit, so that's why you are facing the problem. Okay, do one thing, you will find also able to get Vina 1.2.1.
1.2.1.
1. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Actually, problem with Vina 1.2.1 is that it has different parameters, and what I am telling you will have bit different parameters. So just keep following me, and keep failing means it will show some problems, but we will try
Yes,
to
sir.
find out the solution.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so in the same where you downloaded 1.2.3 na, there you
Yes,
might
sir.
get 1.2.1 as well, and it might have some 32
This
bit code code as well.
this one, na? This one, sir.
uh, where are you seeing? Okay, let me check. Yes, something like this. So explore it once, you might get 32 bit maybe. Most of the every package has 64 bit, right?
Yes, sir. 764 bits.
Okay, automation one. Okay, dot vina
So I think there is some.
32 bit.
I think it is not possible in this.
Check here. If you go to vina script manual, I am sharing this link.
Veena.
I am sharing it in the group. So there you might get 32 bit version. 32 by design model sequence in channel 32 bit. So 32 bit should be here. Let's see. No, maybe yes. It is showing that HTTP one 112. Let me check this for you. Here I am sharing another link. It has 32 bit binary, so I guess you can use that.
Sir, this one, na, in Telegram.
uh, Second link I have shared, download one, and here you will get 32 bit, and use this option, but you will need to install it. You will face some problem. I guess I would better set up another other meeting.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, I'm just downloading it.
Preeti, this is not an error, means your package is working. I just wanted to know that you are able to use this package.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yes, yes, please. So you were having problem on your screen like this. Let's
Yes,
see.
sir. I have shared the trend telegram.
Yes. So you in your screenshot, I can wait. Just I'm opening. Save as session. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here in you first need to change that directory. So till here you just copy. You don't copy this part. So
Sorry, sir. Can you again say it?
Yes, just use cd space and c drive, from c drive to downloads, that much only, and press enter. It will change the directory, and after it changes the directory, then only type, then only copy paste vina 1 2 whatever is there dot exe. Got my
Okay,
point?
sir. Okay, sir. I will try.
Anyone else is following me, um, or have any other question?
Sir, I downloaded that link which you provided, sir.
Okay.
So, should I installed it or just leave that?
You install the new one and check it if it works. Otherwise, what I will do, I will share a screenshot after the session or whenever you have time, and I will try to
Okay,
figure
sir.
it out for you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, so I guess everyone is able to do till this. Okay, next one is if I'm what I did, I just here you will see the difference here, that this is the command prompt address which it shows where it is currently in some docking directory, and now I will execute the Vina file. So to execute that, I will copy paste its complete path. So this file address, in this directory, this file address is this. So I am just pressing enter. So it will execute, means it's working on command line. So this basic thing is done, that camera is here, sorry, Vina is here, and it is working for me. Now, as I already told you all, that we need executable file and receptor and ligand as minimum. So for exe file you had something something dot exe. Now we need to tell it this is the receptor and this is the ligand. So to tell that, we what we need to do is we need to use spaces and provide it some parameters. So first parameter will be receptor. So I will use dash dash, I am using two dashes and typing receptor, and my ligand and protein files are already at the same place, which I have shared you with on Telegram, where, and the receptor name is RECPT, sorry, protein. What's the name? I'm just checking it. Okay, yes, capital P, so exe file, and I need to tell it receptor and then ligand and some other parameters. So here we have Vina dot exe, which I will copy, and then I will, to tell it that this is the receptor file, I will use dash dash RECPTOR space my protein file name, and my protein file name is protein.pdbqt. It PDB is common to all the PDB files, but Qt is new for you. I will tell you the logic why this Qt option is appended. Then
Sir,
yes,
sorry to interrupt, but what is this you are writing? Can you please explain?
I am just telling you that I am telling you that currently you executed this .exe file, right? And you are seeing options like something is running. Okay,
Mm.
so that you have
Yes.
run. Now I need to tell Veena that it requires receptor and one ligand to dock, right?
Uh-huh.
So I am telling you how you can provide it a receptor and ligand and other parameters in the command line. Earlier you just typed Veena your full file name of Veena.exe and pressed
Mm.
enter, and it gave you some output. Now I am telling you how you can tell it about receptor by using double dash and receptor. I will copy paste it in Telegram so you can directly use it, but I am just telling you the structure right now. So here I will use tell it where it is ligand space ligand name is ligand dot pdbqt. So this is, I have told Veena that this is ligand. First I have to call it by typing its name, which we have already done but didn't provide these two options. Okay, so on the command line again I will do the same which I have already described you. I will just type Veena file path space and double dash receptor space protein.pdbqt, then again one space double dash ligand space and ligand name dot pdbqt. If you are not seeing .pdbqt, you need to enable file name extensions from your settings, and it will do something like this. Maybe it will give error or whatever it wants to do, it will do it automatically. So this basic thing is here, and if you are using other version other than 1.2.3, you will be needing other parameters, or it may be giving you some different errors or multiple errors. So basically I just wanted to explain. I am sharing the command on in Telegram. Veena.exe receptor dot pdbqt, then ligand space ligand dot qt. So I am just using this command, so it will perform some action and give me some output, but I am not going to focus on all these forward things. Just open it in command prompt, provide it option, run it, let it give some error or whatever happens. You don't need to check for the result, just you need to just use the file and open it command prompt. That's my motto for the session today's. Okay, I'm just canceling it so that it doesn't give any output. You can continue running it. Now just one more thing, that here are few options here, like I was using receptor and I was using ligand, so there are other options for customization of the output or input. So I have told you using receptor and ligand. So this was for the today's session. Now if you people are able to replicate till this, let me know, otherwise I can repeat it. I have also shared that command in the file name. Actually what you can do is, to simplify it, just rename the file here by pressing F2, or use rename this file, but either you can press F2 or right click rename to rename the file. Fine. What I will do here, I will keep vina.exe. So I don't have to type that much, or I don't have to copy it, and I can easily, so cls vina.exe, then I can access it directly, means I can type it. Or if you want to name it v.exe, that will also work. uh, I'm deleting everything else then, just for test. If I type v, will it work? No, it's not working. .exe. Okay, now it should work. Okay, so whatever name you want to give it, you can give it, but for identification purpose, name it vino.exe. So this short command can help you.
Like sir, extension file, like it's to be needed, sir. Otherwise, it will not work, no?
Yes, .exe is required, and you can name it anything else. Who is this? I'm getting error to join this link. Prajwal,
Sir,
Prajwal is not able to join. What happened? I will get notification if someone wants to join here, right?
sir,
Shraddha and everyone, please type it on Telegram so that I can access it, because I am not able to see Google Meet. Pressing the receptor of native map must be set. Okay, Preeti, please ignore those errors. Yes, Bhupendra, you were saying something. I'm sorry.
Sir, can I share again the screen because I am not able to run this?
Okay, so please share it. Have you shared data?
Sir, is this visible?
Yeah, your screen is visible.
Sir, that command post is also visible, sir.
Yes, command prompt is also visible.
Yes, sir. Actually, I have just do this. I think.
Wait, wait. Okay, do one thing. Follow
Yes.
me. Type cd,
CD.
and you have copied the file name, right?
Yes, sir.
Press space, paste it.
Paste. Okay, sir. Just a minute. I will again copy it from here.
No, 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 no. Wait.
No. Okay.
You have renamed the winner.exe, right?
Yes, sir. I renamed it.
Okay, now type uh, vina.exe.
VINA dot
Exe.
exe. Okay.
Press enter. Okay. Can
No,
you
sir.
show me the downloads directory, or type list? Type list here.
LIXT.
List.
Sorry, list.
List.
D. Uh, can I run?
Yes, press enter. dir,
Sorry.
type dir.
DIR and oh my god.
Okay, you have so many files. So where is v9.exe? Just can you scroll it up to v?
I will show it. Actually, I have this in the
In
download
the
section.
docking directory, na, I press Control L,
Uh, Control L.
L,
Okay.
Control C,
Okay, done.
Control C. Now go to command prompt,
It's a CD.
CD
I think
space paste,
CD space Control V.
paste. Yes,
Yes.
press enter.
Uh, Enter.
Okay, now in the docking directory, now type dir.
DI. Okay. Enter. Yes.
Okay, so Vina is there, right? And now type vina.exe, it should work.
Vina. .txt.
Press enter.
Oh yes, I think so. Run.
Okay, now type vina.txt and or copy from the Telegram group.
Oh, okay, sir.
And put it in one line. It might copy in multiple lines. Is there any other is having problem?
Sir, look like this. I think so.
Yeah, same. Try it.
Hmm.
It will tell you the error. Leave that. Press enter.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Just press enter.
Uh,
Could not receptor.pdb2c. Sorry, that's protein.pdb2c, not receptor.pdb2c.
sorry, sir.
Uh, use instead of receptor. Wait. Copy again. I am changing the message.
Uh,
It was my mistake. Edit. Okay, done. MD. Yeah, it's okay. Can you run the command after using those two files? Root java. Okay. Is there any other problem to anyone else?
sir, in it is fine. Right here. I think so.
Okay.
Sir.
So no, you copy that again.
Uh, in from that Telegram.
Yes.
Okay. This message.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, just paste it. Okay. Yes, sir.
Enter.
Enter. Okay, sir.
So means it's working on your system. Okay. So I this was
Yes. Yes.
my motto
Yes.
today. Now last thing.
Hmm.
Uh, next I am discussing the assignment from
Okay.
yesterday's session.
Okay. So I'm stopped sharing that.
Yeah,
Okay.
I guess everyone is able to see my screen. So in the last session, I wanted to make you people write something about how does a drug work, and then separate the structures of different structure from a PDB, like find some atom and or a complete residue or a chain or a ligand. So this was your assignment, and we have already dealt with question answer. Is there any other question? Anyone wants to ask any other question? Upendra,
Sir,
unmute it. Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. Sorry.
Oh,
sir,
yes.
sir, may I ask?
Yes, sir, please.
Sir, sir, I downloaded this file. This like you share me the link now. So now can I copy and paste this with extension MSI file name to there, your command line here?
Can you share your screen,
Yes, sir.
please?
Sir, I downloaded like you share one file now, 32 bits, Autodesk Vina 1.12. This one is
Okay.
it visible?
Actually, you need to install it. .msc file is not directly executable, so you need to
Okay, sir.
double click on it and install it.
I think I installed it. Completed, sir.
Okay, fine.
Completed.
Okay.
See, I think it will be here only. What happened to this?
It will not directly run. It will extract to .exe file. Then only you can run it.
Okay. Okay, I will try it, sir. If I not able to do it, I will share in the next class.
Sure, sure. And you what you do? You just close this command prompt and run it once. Maybe it will work, as you have already installed it completely. So you
Yes.
need not to find that out. Any other question from anyone?
I don't know where it goes, but it's
Okay.
installed.
No, no, I'm telling you to open the command prompt and type vina dot
Okay, sir.
exe.
Okay. अरे,
कोई बात नहीं.
okay, now I type Vina
Yes, vina dot exe.
dot est.
Exe.
Est.
E, E for elephant, X for Xmas, E for elephant.
Okay, esc. Okay, sir.
No,
Now,
it's X, X,
okay. Sorry, sorry.
X, Y, Z, X. Yes,
Okay. After that, enter.
yes. Enter it. Not working. Okay, I will talk to you personally, Miss, later on. So, is there any other anyone having any other question?
Okay, sir.
Sir, in the my command portal, it have run 100%. It is okay. Then
Your Vina is running. That was the target, and if you want to explore more, you can read it, or I will also recommend to see that list of the commands. It was showing some text, na,
sir, numbering I think 1 to 9
above
with the
9.
affinity distance from RBM's LB and best mode of RMSD.
Okay, so that is the result and outcomes we need to interpret it. Means it's next step docking. I just wanted to download and run the command prompt. That's
Okay, sir. Okay. After after
I will
closing it, if I want to run again, that's I
same
want to
detail.
just CD space and the distance and the VNA extension.
Yes, I will tell
Okay.
you. Actually, I will simplify these things for you because most of you are first time exposed to this. So I will tell you simpler way to use these things so that you don't have to waste your time. Things will be getting simpler over the time. Just keep following me.
Okay, sir.
Any
Thank
other
you, sir.
question to from anyone?
Sir, please can you click on A3 assignment 3? I want a screenshot.
I will share it in Telegram.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Fine. So I'm ending the meeting. Thank you everyone for joining, and please
Thank you,
do
sir.
the assignment before next week.
Okay. Thank you,